Hello, friends. In this session, I'm going to discuss how that smart manufacturing will drive smart decision making for healthier future. So let's look at it how it can happen. So transforming the pharma supply chain management with a real-time data can drive smarter decisions, which will lead to healthier future. See, in today's situation, what is important is gaining a visibility and control over the entire manufacturing process. What really we are using is sensors proliferation. Deploying the sensors across the digital supply chain from raw materials receipt to a final delivery and going to the warehouse is the entire process, and that needs to track the location, the temperature, pressures, humidity, and various other process parameters which are critical to monitor in a real-time basis. The connected systems is the focus for the smart manufacturing. What we are planning to integrate the various software platforms like manufacturing execution system, warehouse management system, transportation management system, and including quality management and maybe some extensions from enterprise resource planning also to create a single unified view of the digital supply chain. That is what is the objective when we discuss about smart manufacturing. Internet of Things is a powerhouse which utilizes the Internet of Things to connect various devices to create a network of intelligent sensors which facilitates seamless data flow and automates the action because all the data gets stored separately into cloud, gets shared by the various stakeholders, and then they can take the necessary corrective decisions based on to the data available. So empowering decision making. The first important thing is the predictive analytics. So when we employ the machine learning and artificial intelligence to analyze this complete real-time data, which can predict the potential disruptions. It could be like stockouts, either of a material or in-process materials or maybe packaging material, or maybe if you're depending something on the on-contract manufacturing or anything else, along with the transportation delays or any quality issues which are coming up. It could be in process manufacturing, it could be at a packaging level or anything and all. And this enables the proactive interventions and that should minimize the risk basically based on to the data available. So your decision making improves and then that helps to have a seamless flow of data as well as based on to that your entire production. Second important factor is the dynamic optimization, which is leveraging based on to the real-time data to optimize inventory management. You know, whether it's a raw material, packing material, in-process goods, or maybe sometimes you need some services also to manage that inventories and all that. Like in case of transportations and all, route planning, logistics, and to ensure that the efficient material flow is being optimized, and then that reduces the lead time. Lead time either to delivery or lead time while procuring of the materials or something. So that can be reduced and that improves the productivity and profitability. The third is the data-driven collaboration. We have to share the real-time data with all the partners. The partners can be your transport partners, could be your supply partners, or could be your contract manufacturing partners, no? Along with the across supply chain, no? Suppliers, distributor, logistic providers, and all. And then that improves the communication along with the all stakeholders, and then a joint decision making in case of some anomalies or something like that. That helps in improving the your equipment utilization, manpower utilization, and finally leading to the better productivity. So unlocking benefits. Now, what are the different benefits which can really come up? The one is the enhanced efficiency, minimizes the delays and optimizes the resource allocation, leading to faster product delivery and reduce the cost. Improved product quality, maintaining optimal conditions throughout the supply chain helps in minimizing the spoilage or something like that and product degradation, which ensure the consistent product quality, which leads to a better customer or patient satisfaction and improves your brand value. Greater resilience, productivity identify and mitigates the disruption, enhancing the agility and ensuring uninterrupted product flow even in unforeseen circumstances. No? And the last is data-driven innovation. That gains a deeper insights into customer needs and the market trends, allowing the strategic product development and improve the product customer satisfaction actually. See, this is when you have a big data, you know what could go wrong and how it can, those problems or challenges can be tackled, or based on to the customer feedback from your demand planning system, you know what are the customers' expectations are there and how you can improve those. So that can drive, the innovations. It could be maybe changes into the process planning, or it could be the changes into material specifications or something. You can go on improving all this to achieve the business excellence. Now, implementing this in a real-time data challenge, data solution is a challenge. You have to focus onto the specific needs. The specific needs maybe could be into the distribution, logistic, warehouse, or maybe manufacturing, or it could be onto the supply side also. So there you have to identify and focus those specific needs or the challenges and the bottlenecks into this entire digital supply chain and prioritize what data you want to collect and how you want to analyze it and all. So for this, you have to invest into the technology and in infrastructure. You have to choose a robust data platform, analytics tool, and sensors the technology that cater to the specific needs about those problems or challenges for a particular product or for a particular customer segments and all that. And at the same time, it should comply with the pharma regulatory requirements also. The third thing which you must keep it in mind is about the data security and privacy. As you are saying that we are compiling and creating a huge amount of the data, the big data and all that, which requires a strong and robust cybersecurity measure because this whole the data is very sensitive. It is the data related to material, related to quality, related to process parameters, and many more things actually. So protecting this sensitive data from unauthorized access or any manipulation is a very important thing. And finally, a cultural shift. So you have to foster a data-driven culture. Earlier, it was a people or the persons based on to his capability, his ability, his strengths. We were taking the decisions. Now it is more of a data-driven decisions making and all that. Where based on to your real-time insights, the activities should take the corrective decisions, or you have to plan the decisions according to the conditions or based on to the data feedback which has been given. So embracing the real-time data into a pharma digital supply chain is going to be a game changer in the near future, no? How you adapt to it and all. So by gaining a deeper visibility, optimizing processes, and making a data-driven decision support system, company can navigate the complexities into the pharma world with a better and greater efficiency, resilience, and ultimately deliver a life-saving medications to the patient who need the most actually. Hope I gave you some brief idea about how this integrations with the data can drive your organization to a better level, more competitive, more products with a safety and quality standard, which also reflects onto your pricing, and that leads to a better brand building for your product, better relationship with your customers and patients. Hope you have some idea. Thank you. Bye.